Hello students and welcome to this session. Today we are going to see how to create a navigation menu in your WordPress site. So to create a navigation menu, just go to the appearance and here you can see the options for menu. Click on the options. This is the page that will be displayed here. Okay. Now I want to create a new menu first. So here go to the create menu and write the menu name. So my menu name is my menu. Okay, save this menu. Now here on the left side you can see various options, that is pages, post, custom links and categories. Now let me show you what is the menu first. Here you can see home, about us, contact, service. This is the menu, navigation menu you can say, where you can display your pages, post, categories, anything. So if you want to add pages to your navigation menu, you can add it from here. Here you can see most recent created pages. View all will give you all the pages which you have created. Also if you have more than 20 or 10 pages, from here you can also search for your page. So here you can see already a home, about us, contact and service page is been added. Here you can see page and here you can see the custom link, because I have created this home as a custom link, so I don't want this. Okay, I am going to create one page. Here I am going to create one page as home. Okay, this is my home page. Publish it and then go to the appearance, remove this. Here you can see home, just add to the menu. Okay, as you can see home has been added to the last. If you want this home to be placed as first, just drag and drop the home to the first. Save the menu. And also here you can see two menu setting option, that is auto added page and display location. Auto add page means when you create some page, it will automatically get added to your menu section. And display location means if you want your menu should be a primary menu, so just click on this, check this primary menu. First I will show you the difference. Here you can see home, about us, contact, home, service. So this is the navigation menu. Okay, now here you can see if I want to add some menu in my pages, so what I'll do, I'll take this display location. Okay, just save this and now you will see the difference. Just refresh your page. Now you can see this is the home page which you need to create using any page builder. This is about page, this is contact page, service page. Okay, so when you give your display location as primary menu, it will be all the menus will be shown as your pages, means the pages you have created. Okay, similarly if you want to add post to your navigation menu, you can also add post. So suppose I'm checking this and I'm adding this to the menu. Now let's save the menu, refresh your page. Here you can see your post is being added. Similarly if you want to add some custom links, now I'm not giving any URL, and link text I want to add is custom. Okay, it is a sample, so here I am adding as a custom. Add to the menu, save your menu and just refresh your page. Here you can see custom. So when you give some URL to this custom link, that when you click on this navigation menu, it will be directed to that URL. Okay, so this was the custom links. Now suppose you want to add some categories. So here we can see the HTML and CSS category. I'm adding this to the menu. Save the menu and refresh your page. So here you can see the categories is also added to the menu. So this way you can create your menu. Now suppose I want to create the sub menu. So how to create a sub menu? Now in suppose introduction to CSS, I want to add a CSS overlay. So what I will do, I will just drag this and I will place this here. Here you can see the sub item. Now save the menu and refresh your page. So here introduction to CSS is there. When I hover over the introduction to CSS, here you can see CSS overlay is showing. So this is also like a drop down, you can say. You can also create a sub menu. So it is very easy to create a menu in the WordPress site. Okay, just again, if I want to add this sub item, just drag it to the right side and you will get a sub item. So here you can see HTML, introduction to CSS, CSS overlay and HTML table. These two are the sub items of this introduction to CSS. So hope you understood of the navigation menu, means how to create it, how to create the sub menus. Okay, so thank you for watching this session.